In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collapsible headings in Microsoft Loop. Collapsible headings help you keep long pages tidy by letting you hide or reveal sections with a single click. They're great for meeting notes, project plans, or any document where you want structure without overwhelming your team with too much on screen at once. Let's walk through the exact steps to set them up and use them effectively. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Loop. Sign in if you're prompted, and you'll land on your workspaces. From here, open the workspace and page where you want to organize your content. If you're starting fresh, that's fine too. Everything we do works the same on a new page or an existing one. To add a new collapsible heading, place your cursor where you want it and type a /. In the command menu that appears, choose collapsible heading, then select the level that fits your structure, H1 for a main section, H2 for a subsection, or H3 for something more detailed. Think of it like an outline. H1 is your big chapter, H2 is a subchapter, and H3 is a subsection inside that. If you already have text on the page that you want to turn into a collapsible section, highlight that text. Click the three-dot menu that shows up, then go to Headings and Lists and choose Collapsible Heading. This converts your selected text into a heading with collapsible behavior, so you don't have to retype anything. Once your heading is in place, you'll see a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to collapse or expand the content under the heading. When collapsed, the section is neatly tucked away. When expanded, everything becomes visible again. This makes it easy to scan a page quickly and dive into details only when you need them. To include content inside a collapsible section, place your tables, text, or boards directly beneath the heading. You can type new content there or drag existing blocks and drop them right under that heading. As long as the content sits directly below the heading, it becomes part of that collapsible area. This lets you group related notes, tasks, and visuals together so they open and close as a single unit. That's it. With these steps, you can structure your loop pages clearly, reduce visual clutter, and help your team focus on what matters at the moment. Try mixing heading levels thoughtfully, keep related items together, and use collapse and expand as a quick way to guide attention during meetings or reviews.